Hello and welcome to another pipe presentation video. Let's have a closer look at the German estate Vauen Angolo series. Smooth natural finish in warm chestnut stain, volcano shape with beveled rim edge, thick chamber walls and flat bottom, metal band with drilled circles as decoration, saddle stem 9mm, filtered for 9mm, mint condition with only mild signs of wear or use. So, really lovely shape. This is the 083 Volcano shape for this pipe. Let's show it like this. Begin with the stem. A minor surface tooth mark there, barely visible. None on the bottom side. Nice and clean beveled rim edge. Stain looks really nice on this pipe. True chestnut warm stain with some angled grain. As you can see, bottom is, well, a bit oval, but enough for pipe to comfortably sit on its own. Not exactly cut flat, but flat enough. Excellent quality to price ratio, as we're used to with Vauen pipes. This might even be a silver band. It probably is. Now when I think back, I think I polished it with silver compound, and yes, it is a silver band. I'm gonna correct that in the listing. Don't know why I thought originally it was a metal band. I might have confused it with some other pipe. Anyway, a lovely Volcano from Vauen, and that would be all for this short presentation. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.